The 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, tow hitch, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, security system, rear window defroster, fog lights, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, trip computer, heated front seats, brake assist. Your new ride is just a phone call away.